Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here with me today. If you don't know who I am, my name is Kira Venice and I typically make videos in beauty, fashion, hair, lifestyle, those sorts of things. And as you may know by the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a DIY sugar scrub. I made this today and I used it today and okay, let me give you
Excuse me,
I try to stick my leg up, but I'm not flexible, so I'm glistening. That's the point. I'm soft and smooth like a baby's butt. That's the point. I'm kind of embarrassed because it just almost fell. But anyways, so sugar scrubs are useful for exfoliating, getting off excess dead skin, tightening, and brightening. So they're good for a lot of things, and I thought about going to go buy one today, but I looked up how easy it was to make it, and I said, hold the phone, and I ended up recording myself making it, and I just used it, so I decided to make a video about that. So if you guys want to make your own DIY sugar scrub, you want to see how to do it so you can be smooth and fine like me, so we're just gonna get right into the video. So let's go.
So I'm going to be starting out with a clean mason jar, and these are just all of the things that I will be using to make this scrub. So I am first going to start off with my cup of sugar. So I chose to fill the remainder of the cup with brown sugar because it smells really good, and also it is a little bit softer and is not as harsh when you add it in there, so I decided to do that. You don't have to though. It's the constantly making a mess for me. And so now moving on to the oils, yay! So I'm going to be using 1/4 cup of coconut oil. And then I'm going to be using 1/4 cup of vitamin E oil. If you have sensitive skin or dry skin, you can use whatever oil best suits you and your skin. It's your preference. And last but not least, we are going in with the lavender essential oil, using about 4 to 7 drops. You can use any essential oil that you would choose. If you have sensitive skin, as I mentioned, you can go for something non-scented, just whatever works best for you. But I chose lavender essential oil, and I put about 5 or 6 drops in there. So now it is time to mix it all together until it is one consistency. You'll see what it should look like soon. So here is the finished product. I basically just repeated the steps twice to get a full jar.
I actually just used it in the shower, so let me tell you guys about that. Baby, I know you see me glistening and shining and bright, and I know I look smooth, and baby, I am. Okay guys, so that is the end of this video. I do hope that you enjoyed it. If so, you can give this video a big thumbs up, comment down any video suggestions or feedback down below, hit that subscribe button, and share this with your family and friends. I appreciate you all so much for watching, and if you made it to the end of this video, comment sugar. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.